Hi, I'm Stephen O'Brien. I'm one of the co-organisers of this workshop, Our Energy Challenge. And it's about trying to comprehend and understand the complexity and the issues associated with this multifaceted problem. They were directed to work together in small groups as teams to understand a little bit more about primary sources of energy and then to justify those different primary sources of energy. In their first workshop exercise, they were getting some appreciation of that through defending one primary source of energy versus another and looking at its advantages and disadvantages.
In addition to this sustainability and the benefits that come with wind, after all, you'll never run out of wind on Earth.
I was really excited to see how much the students engaged on all of the topics and how they were able to identify how each of the energy technologies had strengths and weaknesses.
We wanted the students to be actively participating in the activity, and lo and behold, they really did. They jumped at it, and it became a lot of fun, especially when we introduced some elements of competition between the groups as to which was the best source of primary energy.
Everything is coming to ending. Coals, especially since you're a coal, or natural gas or anything like that is coming to ending. Yeah, I know.
We know that there are shortcomings to each of the technologies, and so they're going to come and address the technology, but also a social justice aspect of their given energy source for power.
If you had to generate a ton of fields for wind farms and solar power, how much deforestation would you have to do that?
The debate between the different energy sources, it was really fun to kind of have that debate and facilitate that conversation.
And we also have some panelists that we've invited, and they're floating between the groups and helping them understand the problem and helping them in sort of developing the ideas around the technologies that will address their shortcomings.
I'm very excited to be here today, to be in the environment of academia and PhD students, to help spur the young minds in understanding how important is their role in current energy challenge.
I would like to inspire all of the PhD students and, be as passionate as they can and provide, what I have learned over the past 2 decades working in the field.
I'm interested in how we're going to store all the energy because we won't be able to use it all at once. We need to figure out a way in order to store it.
This workshop is one of a series of workshops. We call them Converge-2-Translate workshops, and this is great kickoff, but there will be more workshops to come, different topics, and our plan is to have at least one workshop per semester.